So you've got a project to manage, huh? Well, forget about those old school spreadsheets and sticky notes because I've got a game changer for you, Google Docs. Yep, you heard me right. Google Docs isn't just for typing up essays or making to-do lists. It's a powerful tool for project management too. First things first, create a new Google Doc and give it a catchy name. This will be your project's central hub, where all the magic happens. Next, divide your doc into sections using headings. Think of these as your project's different phases or tasks. Now, here's where it gets really cool. Use bullet points to list out the specific actions or steps needed for each task. You can even assign responsibilities by mentioning team members' names next to each action. Collaboration at its finest. But wait, there's more. Google Docs allows you to add comments and tag team members, so everyone stays in the loop. Need feedback on a particular task? Just highlight the text and leave a comment. It's like having a virtual meeting right there in your doc. And let's not forget about real-time editing. Multiple team members can work on the same doc simultaneously, making updates and changes in real time. No more waiting for email attachments or worrying about version control. It's all there, in one place. So, whether you're managing a small team or a big project, Google Docs has got your back. It's easy to use, collaborative, and keeps everyone on the same page. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to organized project management. Give it a try, and thank me later. And that's a wrap. In just under 60 seconds, you've learned how to use Google Docs for project management. So go ahead, give it a shot, and let the productivity begin.